Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rizky Abdillah and I will present my presentation about Amistad. So, Amistad is a 1997 American historical drama film directed by Steven Spielberg based on the event in 1839 about the Spanish slave ship La Amistad, during which mandate tribesmen abducted for the slave trade managed to gain control of their captor ship off the coast of Cuba, and the international legal battle that followed their capture by the Washington U.S. Revenue Cutter. The case was ultimately resolved by the U.S. Supreme Court in 1841, and Amistad is release date December 10, 1997. Director by Steven Alan Spielberg, based from the true story of the event in 1839 about the slave ship La Amistad. The language that Amistad used is English, Mende, and Spanish. Producer by HBO Pictures. And the synopsis: Amistad 1997 is historical drama film directed by Steven Spielberg based on the true story of rebellion aboard the Spanish slave ship La Amistad in 1839. The film follows a group of African slaves led by Clinke, played by Jimon Hounsou, who seized control of the ship while being transported to the America. The slaves are later captured off the coast of Long Island, New York, and brought to trial. The legal battle of their fate became a landmark case in U.S. history. The case is argued by lawyer Roger Sherman Baldwin, who defends the African right to freedom against the claim of the Spanish government and American plantation owners who want to treat them as property. The case ultimately reached in the U.S. Supreme Court, where former President John Quincy Adams argued on behalf of the African, securing their freedom and return to Africa. Amistad explored themselves of slavery, justice, and human rights, highlighting the resilience of the African captive and the legal and moral struggle that led to their eventual liberation. And the theme is friendship among the African. Discuss the bond between the African captives, such as the central character Clinke and the other slave. They share a common struggle for survival and freedom, creating a deep sense of solidarity and friendship. This connection transcends language barrier and cultural difference as their shared experience of suffering unite. The second is friendship across culture. The role of abolitionists highlight the relationship between the African captives and key abolitionists such as Theodore Johnson and the legal team led by lawyer Roger Sherman Baldwin. The friendship here is built on shared principle of justice and human rights, with the abolitionists risking their own safety and reputation to fight for the freedom of the African. And the third is friendship with the American public and leaders, focus on how the case bring people together across social, racial, and political lines, from President Martin Van Buren to the common people supporting the African. The idea of justice become a unifying factor, transcending the usual division as friendship are built through shared commitment to moral principles. For courage and sacrifice in friendship. Explore the sacrifice made for friend or shared cause, highlight the effort of the African captives, the lawyer, and the abolitionists in their fight. The theme of sacrifice in friendship is central to the film as people risk personal loss, reputation, and even life for the sake of others. 5. Conclusion. The lasting impact of friendship conclude with a reflection on how Amistad illustrates that true friendship often requires going beyond self-interest and fighting for justice, equality, and humanity. The friendship formed between the African captives and their allies not only led to their freedom but also influenced the broader abolitionist movement. Main character. The main character in the film Amistad is Sengbe Pieh, also known as Clinke, portrayed by Jimon Hounsou. He is a leader of the Mende captives who revolt against their captor aboard the Spanish slave ship La Amistad in 1839. The film followed his struggle for freedom and the subsequent legal battle over the right of the enslaved African after they are captured off the coast of the United States. The plot: Amistad followed the harrowing journey of enslaved African aboard the Spanish ship La Amistad in 1839, led by Clinque. They revolt against their capture, killing most of the crew. However, they are missed into U.S. waters and imprisoned, but a complex legal battle ensues over their status as slave or free men, involving abolitionists and former President John Quincy Adams, who ultimately argue for their freedom in the Supreme Court. The film highlights themes of justice, humanity, and the brutal realities of the slave trade, culminating in the captives' eventual release and return to Africa. Pros and cons. The pros is historical important. The film highlights as significant event in American history, shedding light on the brutal realities of slave trade and the fight for justice. Powerful performance. Jimon Hounsou portrayal of Clinque received acclaim for its emotional depth and authenticity, enhancing the film impact. Visual and emotional impact. Spielberg's direction captured the horror of slavery effectively with gripping scenes that evoke strong emotional response. And the cons. Pacing issue. Some critics note that film suffer from slow pacing and lack narrative fluidity, making it feel overly long. Character development. Critics argue that the film does not delve deeply enough into character physics, reducing emotional engagement with individual stories. Mixed reception on direction. While Spielberg's approach is praised by some, others felt its lack and subtlety and focus seen in his other work like Schindler's List. Link history. The Amistad case is a pivotal moment in American history, highlighting the legal and moral complexities surrounding slavery. In 1939, enslaved Africans aboard the La Amistad revolted and were later captured by the U.S. Navy. The ensuing legal battle raised critical questions about their status as slave or free individual, culminating in a Supreme Court ruling in 1841 that recognized them as victims of illegal kidnapping. This case galvanized abolitionist sentiment and underscored the tension leading to the Civil War, illustrating the intersection of law, politics, and human rights in America. Conclusion. The film Amistad serves as a crucial lens into American history, illustrating the complexities of the abolition movement and the legal battle surrounding slavery. It highlights the struggle for freedom faced by enslaved Africans and the moral dilemmas encountered by American society. The case of the La Amistad captives not only challenged existing law, also ignited discussion about human rights, justice, and the political landscape leading to the Civil War. Ultimately, Amistad underscored the importance of storytelling in shaping historical narrative and emphasized the ongoing fight against oppression and inequality in America. Thank you for watching and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.